Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sunday morning, so we're getting ready for another project update. This is week 21 of construction, so really the home stretch here. Earlier this week, I had an article released by CIBC featuring 416 Dentistry and myself. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you give that a read. It's on the CIBC Instagram page and on their website. So I want to thank them for their support and for sharing my story of how I want to make a difference in the Scarborough community. And so in terms of construction, unfortunately this week, not much has been done just because of some delays with getting the materials for the countertops as well as some plumbing delays. But we'll turn the corner and take you inside so you can see what was done. So again, turning the corner, walking inside, opening the door, flip as you in our lovely reception area here, as you guys are really familiar with by now. Looking great. Can't wait to share this with all of you. And this week, we really kind of focused on getting the x-rays in. So here is the Sirona panel. It's so nice. Here's our Sirona pan, brand new, looks amazing. Oh wow. And they started mounting the x-rays here on the wall. And so we have the 3 operatories at the back that will be functional with the x-rays. And yeah, that's pretty much it this week. So not too eventful, but the camera, this coming week is going to be really epic with a lot of transformations happening in this place. So stay tuned for maybe what's going to be the very last episode of the Sunday morning project update before our grand reveal. So thanks again for watching, everybody. I just want to give a special shout out to Councillor Lai of Ward 23, who met up with me yesterday at the Chartwell Shopping Centre, where we had a chance to chat. And I'm really excited for all the exciting things she has planned for Ward 23. And thank you for making such a big difference in this community. One thing I want to share with all of you too is this special edition IVIVI 416 Toronto shirt, black and gold. Ward 23 represents, as well as the Scarborough flag. If you don't know, now you know. So these limited edition t-shirts are going to be made available to our growing 416 Dentistry family. I appreciate all your love and support. There are limited quantities, and the details of how you can cop a t-shirt will be released shortly. The tees are made in Toronto, designed in Toronto, screen printed in Toronto. So this is what it's all about, supporting local businesses, getting through this, and making our Toronto community stronger. So I want to thank everybody for everything. This wraps up another project update this week. And remember, next week is going to be a big one, so stay tuned for that. Stay safe, take care, peace.